This is a signature cocktail that I did for the Ladona called the Blue 22. She was built originally in 1922. So this is the Blue 22. You're going to start with some fresh Maine blueberries. I use about 5 or 7. Muddle these guys right in your glass. You don't have to be too rough with them. You're just trying to express the juice of the blueberry. Next, 1 ounce of London Dry Style Gin. Half an ounce of dry orange Curaçao. Half an ounce of Maine blueberry shrub. The chef on the Ladona, Anna Miller, makes shrub for us every year, and she makes enough to last the whole season. And half ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. You're just going to give this guy a quick stir. And then top with crushed ice. I like to garnish this with an orange twist. Make sure that you express the peel right over your glass. And finally, just a slight dusting of cinnamon. And there you have it, the Blue 22.